And the second cupcake award goes to Dad, s'more cake.
Woohoo!
Wow.
S'more cake, wow.
Yeah, that was pretty
And
good.
the overall winner is
Oh.
Mom.
Wow!
Hey, Lizzie! Give it up! Come on!
Who won? Mom.
I did.
Woohoo!
I won, yeah.
Looks like Gary's going home without Gary.
You won?
No,
You
Mommy
didn't
won.
lose? You didn't lose. You're on 19-2. Yay! What? Do what I did to you, Lizzie?
You did a very good job.
Congratulations.
You did a very good job,
Thank you, sweetie.
the head judge. Very good. Okay, go over there with Mommy and Daddy.